If you're not familiar with Kajabi, it's basically your all-in-one digital business platform. Think website hosting, product creation, marketing, sales, payment processing, literally everything you need to run a successful online business all in one place. In this video today, I'm going to walk you through 6 different products you can create and sell on Kajabi. These aren't just theoretical ideas. These are things I have done, built, and sold over the 8 years that I have used Kajabi. Before we dive in, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos on building an online business. Now let's get started. Let's dive into these 6 profitable digital products you can create and sell on Kajabi. Online courses are my absolute favorite digital product because they're such a powerful way to package and sell your expertise. And the best part, once you create the content, you can sell it again and again without any additional work. Here's what makes a successful online course. You choose a specific problem to help people solve, you break down your expertise into digital modules, and you include actionable worksheets and resources they can download. Second product you can create are premium newsletters. If you love writing and have valuable insights to share, a premium newsletter could be perfect for you. The key is to provide exclusive content that your subscribers can't get anywhere else. This might include industry insight, expert interviews, or curated resources. Coaching is an excellent way to provide personalized support to your clients. With Kajabi, you can easily set up one-on-one coaching packages, group coaching programs, and hybrid programs combining course content with live coaching. The fourth thing you can create on Kajabi is digital downloads. These are perfect for beginners because they're relatively quick to create. Think templates, workbooks, or guides that solve specific problems for your audience. The key is to create something that provides immediate value so that your clients can come to you with a problem, get a download, and solve their problem. You become the hero. The fifth is online communities. People crave connection and support from others in the same journey. Using Kajabi's community features, you can create a paid or free membership community where your members can network, share experiences, ask questions, and you can also provide access to exclusive resources and discussions. The sixth thing you can create with Kajabi is premium podcast content. While many podcasts are free, there's a growing market for premium podcast content. So you could offer extended episodes, behind-the-scenes content, exclusive Q&A sessions. You could have VIP interviews that you only get if you are a premium podcast content member. Remember, the key to success with any of these products is focusing on providing real value to your audience. Start with one product type, do it well, sell it, and build the next. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and turn on those notifications for more content, and drop me comments below what you want to learn about Kajabi so I can teach you.